Hi guys, I'm Erik Witcraft, floral contributor for FlowerBox, and today I'm going to show you a fun Valentine's Day design that's a little outside the box, but still in a box. This is the 8-inch grab-and-go white flower box, and I want to show you first how easy they are to actually unfold. So you simply take the ribbon and pull it, then just push from the bottom, squaring it off. Push the liner down inside so it's nice and secure, and then you've got the handle for the grab and go. It also comes with this really fun gift tag, which is perfect for your customers to fill out a little sentiment for their flower box. I've got one that's pre-assembled right here and filled with water and flower food. So I'm going to simply take some of the lycopodium, some of these beautiful red tea tops. I have some green tulip anthurium, which I absolutely adore, and then some of these beautiful purple macaras. So just starting with the tea tops, I'm going to give them a cut, set them down in. This just makes it look nice and full to begin with. Then a little bit of the lycopodium, just giving it a cut and lacing it through as well. This could also be done in a hand tie where you're doing it right in your hand and you simply just set it into place when you're finished. I love the texture of this lycopodium. All of these fantastic flowers came from Greenpoint Nursery, one of my personal favorite vendors that I love to use. The quality of their product is by far some of the finest in the industry. I also have these gorgeous purple orchids. Setting these down in here. This bright purple against that dark burgundy tea leaf foliage is really something super dramatic. One last one here, I'm going to set it down in. Then the tulip anthurium. Just letting them dance a little bit above all of the other flowers. This lime green against that purple and the burgundy, doesn't it really pop? It's just so beautiful. These containers are super awesome. They're very affordable, they're very recyclable, and they're actually reusable, which I'll show you in a moment. So they're a wonderful thing for your customers that you can sell to them. The thing I love about the grab and go as well is you can actually carefully thread the ribbon back up through the design, and they can simply carry it right onto the recipient. Once they're done enjoying the flowers, it's super easy to disassemble. You simply pour out the water, make sure it's good and dry, pull up the liner, carefully fold it, you can flatten it, and your customer can use it again in the future. I hope this has inspired you today to think about FlowerBox. Check them out online at flowerbox.com, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye guys!